In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to your Google Business Profile Manager. This is a useful skill, whether you're adding a new team member or working with an external consultant who needs access to your business information. First, let's begin by opening up Google in your web browser. In the search bar, type your business name or simply My Business. This will direct you to your business listing on Google. Once you see your business appear in the search results, click on the link that says View Profile. This will take you back to your Google Business Profile dashboard, where you manage the core aspects of your business's digital presence. Now, on your dashboard, you'll notice 3 dots or a similar icon next to your business listing. Click on that icon, which will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Business Profile Settings. This option takes you into the settings area where you can adjust various aspects of your profile. Within the settings, look for the section labeled People and Access and click on it. This is the part where you manage users who have access to your profile. Moving along, find the Add button. It's usually a blue button with a plus sign. Clicking this will open up a field where you can input new user information. Here, you simply enter the email address of the person you want to invite. It's important to double check that the email address is correct to ensure the invitation reaches the right person without any hitches. Once the email is entered, you'll need to assign the appropriate role to this person. Google offers 2 main roles: owner or manager. Owners have full access to everything on the profile, while managers have slightly limited capabilities. Choose the role that best fits the responsibilities you want this person to have within your Google Business Profile. After selecting the role, click Invite. This sends an email to the person you've just added, notifying them of the invitation. The email will contain a link that they need to click in order to accept the invitation and become a user on the profile. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully invited a new user to your Google Business Profile Manager. This process not only helps in expanding the management capabilities of your online presence, but also ensures that your business profile remains updated and well managed with the collective efforts of your team. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more straightforward guides. Thanks for watching.